This is so cute. OMG, check this out, guys.
Glamorous, penny pincher, glamorous, penny pincher.
Hey, penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Chelomie, and today we're taking a stroll through Homegoods. Let's see what they have in store for spring and even Valentine's Day. All right, let's go. I love these little dishes. They're so cute. $9.99. And there are two of them in a pack. These are also super cute. Take a look at these. And these are $12.99. They are like nesting heart-shaped little bowls. Super cute. They also have these nesting bowls in pink with the gold trim. Really pretty. These are much bigger and heavier. These are $14.99. And then they also have them in this red. These are a little deeper with the hearts on them, and these ones are $9.99. The only thing with these is you're kind of restricted to using them around Valentine's Day because of the hearts on the outside. But otherwise, these are a decent price and they're very pretty. Check out this beautiful dome. This is so gorgeous. I'm gonna flip it over and see if I can find a price. Price is $29.99. It's a pretty heavy piece of marble, heart-shaped, and then the dome is very, very nice. I love it. Super gorgeous. They have all the beautiful spring florals are out in vases, but they're a little pricey. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I am just loving these colors, this mix of colors. This one is $34.99. Now we know that florals are always more on the expensive side, and a lot of these I can probably DIY if I'm going to use them for whatever reason, maybe for a little brunch party or dinner party, or even to put on my dining table as display. These ones are even easier to DIY, and these are $16.99, but they are beautiful. These ones with the smaller roses, same colors going through, really, really beautiful. This one is $29.99, but they're absolutely gorgeous. It's another one of my faves. I love the vase and how big the roses are. This one I believe is $24.99 for this one. And there's this really long rectangular one. This one, it's $49.99 with the same beautiful florals. This is good to put in the center of like a dining table. Really, really screams spring. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And they have these ones that have the florals in the purse. I really wish the purses were white, but if I really wanted to get it, I would just spray paint the actual purse. It's ceramic, of course, but I would spray paint it white. These are much cheaper. These are $16.99, but the florals are just white or that ivory color. Really pretty. And you could rework this if you didn't want to use the pink vase. Now this vase, this was real popular about 6-7 years ago. Like when I just came on the YouTube scene, everybody had like a mirrored vase and it was a thing. Well, they're making a comeback, I guess, because this is really beautiful. And this one is $24.99. Super gorge. Come on, the mirror is coming back. So I guess it was a good thing that I didn't get rid of my coffee table, because hey, there are mirrored items coming back out and they look pretty good. This is another longer one in this glass vase. Really pretty. It's really heavy, and as you can see, like it has the stems glued down to the bottom. This one is super expensive, guys. This one is, get that tag around for you. This one's $99.99. And now I've seen a lot of people DIY this one. So this is an easy DIY if you really like this style with the glass vase. This is a quick DIY, but it's absolutely, I just love the vibrant colors. Beautiful, beautiful. These are hard plastic, just like the tray. And these are $7.99. There are 4 of them in the pack. Yeah, just a lot of melamine stuff that's really pretty. This butterfly tray was here last year. I'm almost sure that I featured it in one of my videos then. They are $9.99, but this is really nice for, like a nice little garden party or something. This is really pretty for springtime. These are some gorgeous wine glasses with the bowl. These are actual glass, right? These are not melamine or hard plastic. These are glass. These are $16.99 each. No God. Super cute, but a little pricey. These are hand painted. They are so much fun. They're $4.99 each. Pretty heavy, guys. Super, super cute for like a fun girls' night or something. These would go over very, very well. Absolutely love these 2 pieces. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. $2.99 each. You can use these in small spaces. If you have a really big room, you could even use them as end tables or side tables for your bedroom. These are absolutely beautiful. I am loving these. $2.99 each. I'm also loving this dresser right here. It's hard to open the drawer, but this is really cute. Check these candlesticks out, these candle holders. It is so pretty, guys. I actually have an event coming up. I'll share it with you later, not right now, that will have like these colors in it. This is a Rachel Zoe, as you can see, and it is $16.99. What I'm thinking, maybe I need to get these. These are super cute. And get some really long tapered candles to putting them. This is really nice. I'm really liking this. I'm gonna put it in my cart, and if it makes it home with me, I'll show it to you when we get home. I am so loving all of these bow designs. They are like doing me in, guys. This is really pretty. Let me see if there's a price on the other one. These are $14.99. Super cute. They have the one for the tapered candles, and then they also have this one that would hold like the bigger candles on top. But super cute. These ones are, oh, they're on sale for $18, but super cute. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking this beautiful stroll through Homegoods with me. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomie saying bye-bye.